Hello everybody, welcome back. Right, yesterday I took a trip over a few valleys over to see Jason, Small Box Adventures, and together we found the best place for the diesel heater. It's all fitted underneath. Right everybody, welcome to the underneath of our van. What we done, we found the best place. We drilled through with a step drill. I think we went up to I think it's about 28mm hole, and then come through with the exhaust. This is just a bit of what we done is when we drilled through now and this come through, I've pumped a lot of this fire stop 1200 degrees. Pumped a load of that up in there, and also down from the top as well. So the gap, you know, from there up to the floor in the van, because it's got insulation around it. We've just covered that insulation, cut it right back, filled all that hole there with this stuff. So hopefully, yeah, that's going to keep that exhaust now that's going up in there cool. Well, hopefully there's not going to be no heat on the insulation at all. So that's the exhaust. That's just a bit of the stuff when we push the exhaust through, and the exhaust just goes out just under the bottom of the van there. And the air intake, we've just stretched that as far as we can and put it up just up under there. So that's the underneath of the van. Right. So today now it's just all about connecting the pump up to the tank and hopefully get it going. Last night, well yesterday afternoon, we did mount the pump roughly there, but then last night on doing a bit of research on what's the easiest way to put this little diesel valve, the easiest way to get it in. I stumbled across a way to reduce the noise on the pump by hanging the pump. So that's what I'm going to have a look at first of all. I'm thinking of maybe putting a bit of timber across and then cable tying the pump at 45 degrees. So that's what I'm going to have a look at now. So thank you very much, Jason, you're a gentleman. It was a pleasure coming over yesterday and spending a few hours with you, and hopefully see you soon. Right, let's get this diesel pump hanging. This was going to be a video about the diesel heater. Not anymore. Such a nice day. We decided to prioritise finishing the bed so we can get the chop saw out. At least we can cut in the sunshine. So let's go. Right guys, Beck's just sanding the bed slats that we've just cut down. I've just cut some 2x1 PSE in half. So what I'm going to do now with these pieces here, I'm just going to screw them all along here and along here. Same on that side as well, there and there. And then we're going to put the slats then across all the way up. Beck's just finishing staying the bed frame now. The slats are ready, the side pieces are ready. We put the 4 supports in and all the 4 corners. So we're ready to fix the bed. Right guys, that's the bed done. So as you seen earlier on, we ripped down a piece of 2x1 PSE down the middle, and then we just put it on each side of the 2x2 just to support the slats. What we've done, we just screwed one screw in each side just for now, because we're going away on the weekend, so we just wanted the bed frame up. But it hasn't taken us that long, so now we can have a look at the diesel heater. Right, that went much easier than expected. Fed the wire through, put the little silver diesel grommet thing through, out to come, connect it all up. Right, now to fit it there. Right everybody, it's like cable tie city. Cable tied in 3 points, here, here and over there. I wouldn't say there's tension on it, but I've done it in such a way that this can now move freely with no noise. There's no pipes rattling or banging on the side of the timber. I've run the fuel line down here underneath the ply. I haven't finished yet. I'm just going to connect that up now to the tank and hopefully get it going and see if this cable tie in the pump works. Right guys, we got so excited. I was going to show you just a quick setup of the battery and the tank, but we got the pump priming at the moment. Try it anyway, is it?
I can't see
no more bubbles in
this
line.
end or that end. So I reckon press the down arrow, I do. Go on, you
Come on.
press it. No, you can't. Right. I cut that.
Right, we think we've primed the pump. There are 1 or 2 tiny air bubbles going into the heater. So I'm just going to switch it on. I can feel the air coming out. Obviously I'll have to give it a while to warm up. It's just
chugging out the side.
So that's really hot air coming out of there now. It isn't that loud. So it'll be a lot louder, but obviously that's working. We'll never be cold again. Yeah, they will. It's only once. I mean, it's the first time for us to turn it on.
I'm impressed though.
I'm impressed at that, how quiet that clicking is. Imagine with the lid down now and everything covered over. Let's take a look outside, see if there's any. Just in case.
That is cooking. That's hot.
Oh wow. Yeah, I can't get my hand no closer than that really. Oh.
So that ticking is the fuel pump,
Is
is
that
it?
pump?
Oh, it's slowing down now, look. But it did say, didn't it? That it
Yeah. Jay, we need more power. We need more power, Captain. It's boiling. Absolutely boiling. Woohoo. Thanks very much, man. Really appreciate it. Right guys, sorry about the light. We've had the heater on now for probably maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes, is it love?
Yeah, about that.
We had to turn it down. It's absolutely boiling in here. I think we can safely say it's working. Just before we wrap this video up, diesel heater, absolutely amazing. It's really warm here, just only after a few moments. Just in time really, because we're off to a festival this weekend. Thank you Jason of Bobby Rocks Adventures for all your help on the diesel heater, and thank you as well for the invite for this weekend. I'm sure it's going to be a blast. I've also heard that a certain Mr. Exploring Freedom's coming down, so see you soon, Jez. Right, just before I'm going to clean this the van out to go away, I think give you a quick look. The bed is in, finished. Diesel heater. We're really going really posh this weekend. The toilet's going to be put in. Diesel heater, like I said, unbelievable. Because that quirky, even the penguins bailed on us. They reckon it was too cold. Like I said, just going to wrap this video up. The last video I put out, your comments, they just blow me away. Genuinely, just seems we're starting to get a circle of just a nice, friendly bunch of people. Van life people. Just genuinely does blow me away. So thank you so much for all your comments. Keep on coming, love them, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace. Diolch.